Now we've talked about columns of color, that continuous flow of a matching or closely related color from the top of your outfit to the bottom, in terms of separates before. But of course a color column can also be a one-piece garment like this little fit and flare dress. This is the equivalent of what the fashion world calls the LBD, the little black dress. But I'm going to encourage you to think of it as the little basic dress and realize that it can be whatever color, whatever neutral or even fashion color is the most flattering for you and therefore is the basis of your wardrobe. Now certainly I can wear this all by itself, but it's a lot more fun when I start adding overlayers. So for instance, one obvious place to go with a navy little basic dress is to add an overlayer in red. Now we think of red as being just one color, but actually there are lots of different reds in the world, and a trick when you're trying to get accessories that blend to your wardrobe is to pick that accessory, this scarf for instance, in a print that includes multiple shades of your base color. Can you see how many different shades of red show up in this print? So when someone looks at me wearing this combination, their eye is not going to demand an exact match to any individual red, but rather a blend with all of them. Now, I can leave this scarf simply draped around my neck, and that's absolutely fine. Or if I want a little spunkier look, I can simply take the two tails and tie one fat overhand knot through both of them. So now it's hanging relatively straight and that knot is pulling all the attention, surprise, up toward my face again, just like we wanted. And of course, this isn't the end of the line of what the outfits that we can build over our navy column. Let's look at a couple of others. This time I'm going to match it up with a faux suede cascade jacket in this dusty sort of sky blue. Multiple blues are always an easy combination to put together. And you'll see that this is a great example of an unstructured overlayer that's going to benefit dramatically from the addition of our little removable shoulder shapers. Do you see how immediately this side of the jacket and this side of my body look more balanced? My posture looks better, all the attention is lifted. So let's add that to the other side as well. And then although I do have scarves that match this color combination, I thought this was a great opportunity to remind you again that a link does not by any means have to be a scarf. Here it's a set of flat mother of pearl discs in varying shades of blue strung together that again form the perfect link for the color combination, and as always anchor our predominant attention up close to my face. And we're not stopping there either.